What's poppin'? Cali gang, yeah! It was my first day today at Amazon. Oh yeah, it's my first day today at Amazon. How did I do? I'm about to let you guys know, but first, let's roll my intro. Alright you guys, so as you guys can see, the title of my channel has changed. We are now Cali POV, only because we are no longer towing. So I hope you guys enjoy these POV videos, these vlog videos that I have coming for you guys. Wherever we go, you go. I'm gonna put you guys on my body cam, and if we go to the store, if we go somewhere, we go to the mall, you guys get to see what's going on around us. You know what I'm saying? So hope you guys love to explore. My son's low-key calling me, and that's how he calls me. He's like trying to say, hey, come get me. Come get me, come get me. You guys want to know how my Amazon day went? It was not what I expected. I was so nervous, let me tell you. I was so nervous to go to work. I was like, oh my God, am I gonna be dealing with some crazy stuff? Am I gonna be dealing with some crazy people? Keep in mind, for 6 years, I've been working alone. Now, when I got there, I was pretty familiar with kind of how Amazon looked. From what I've heard, Amazon is crazy inside. You got crazy workers, yada yada whoop-de-woo. So I was like, oh my God, I'm gonna be dealing with some crazy things, you know, and I'm gonna be fixing conveyor belts and all that stuff, but it really was not what I expected, let me tell you. First, let me start off by saying, I woke up pretty late today, okay? Being so used to waking up, well, I mean, I started when I was towing, I was starting like at 4 o'clock in the morning, but since I moved out to San Bernardino area and I was closer to like Highland, which is where we used to tow, I ended up getting up like at 7 because I was so close to Highland. You know, I didn't have to clock in or anything like that. So me being so used to waking up around that time, I woke up at like 5:30, pretty late, okay? Because I was supposed to be at Amazon at 6 o'clock and I got there at 6:10. But I told my trainer that I was gonna be a little late, and he said, so it's okay, man, I'm coming from him and I'm kind of late too. So we were both late, so it was all right. But one thing that's really cool about my supervisors and about my bosses is that they're very lenient and they're very nice. So anyways, I walk into Amazon and it took us about like two and a half hours really for the process, because Amazon needed to verify, because I'm a new hire, so you know, I don't have my badge or anything like that, right? Only to find out from my trainers that I don't work for Amazon. I specifically work in the Amazon building doing repairs and maintenance on the Amazon carts, but I am not an Amazon associate. Let me make that clear, okay? I literally thought that I was gonna be like representing underneath Amazon, but no, we don't even wear Amazon shirts. We don't wear Amazon gear. We're not gonna have an Amazon badge, not that I know of. We are called IPG, some group, okay? I can't right now. I'll put it right here, okay? That's IPG. Okay, so that's the company that I'm representing. That's the company that I'm part of. I am a technician. You know, I was thinking like, dude, we're gonna be working like on the Amazon robots. If you guys are familiar with the Amazon robots, it's these little vacuum cleaner looking things that go around the warehouse picking up crates and shelves and all that stuff. But turns out I don't even do that either. So what are we doing? What am I doing as the Amazon technician? Simply just repairing broken go-karts. Now, I'm not saying go-karts like I'm not talking about go-karts like the type that you drive. I'm talking about go-karts that hold boxes of Amazon packages, and it's like a gate that you close and you can roll it. If you guys ever heard of like those you know, when you go to hotels and you have like the bellboy that brings you like the luggage cart, and you put your luggage on top of that cart and you wheel it over to like the reception desk or like your hotel room. Yeah, that's a cart. So you imagine that, but like caged. They put these boxes and they put these packages inside of these carts. There's times when it's inside of the truck, or you know, it's on the way to be transported to another warehouse, that these carts get banged up against the truck, or they fall, or you know, somehow they just get damaged and broken and bent and stuff like that. So my job is to get a hammer, and if it's bent, you gotta bink, 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 bink. I feel like a blacksmith, okay? I'm like beating the shit out of this cart. Bink, 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 until it's like smooth and flat, okay? From being like curved to like, because the reason why we have to bend those dents and whatever, you know, you won't be able to close the doors of the cart, or you won't be able to put the panel down, the floor panel down to stack the boxes on top of, because it's bent. So my job is just to straighten out the carts. And it was funny to me because my trainer taught me that the easiest fix that you can do is just take off 2 screws and it's fixed, right? And I'm like, well, we're supposed to be fixing these carts, but it looks like you have to damage the carts. You kind of have to break the carts in order to fix the carts. It's kind of weird. You have to break broken carts to fix the broken carts in order for it to be fixed. It was pretty hilarious to me, and I was laughing pretty loud in the warehouse, I'm not gonna lie. And he was laughing with me. He goes, I know it sounds stupid and it's pretty funny, but it's easy money. It really is easy money. 5 days a week, Monday through Friday. Now, for this first week, I'm working 6 o'clock to 2:30. Okay, 6 in the morning to 2:30 just for training. The following week afterwards, I start at 5 o'clock to 1:30. When it came down to going on my breaks, oh my goodness, let me tell you. Their break room was humongous. Like, it was super humongous. I'm so used to eating my lunch in a tow truck that when I pulled up to a break room, especially at Amazon with all these employees, big break room. And I mean, like, there's a bunch of vending machines and refrigerator doors you can open to grab a sandwich, and then you have to go to like this paying device and pay for your food there. It's pretty cool, man. I gotta say, even if you've never worked for Amazon before, it's a pretty cool experience being in there. Pretty loud. You have it's very active in there. Like, you have people walking everywhere. You have people packaging stuff, shooting them down the conveyor belts. Then you have people like on the 2nd floor, the 3rd floor. It's like a 3-story warehouse. I get a pretty cool area. I'm actually right next to the restrooms, which is very convenient for me, because on my breaks, when I went to go see if there's other restrooms, there's no other restrooms, not even in the break room. I'm literally like working right next to the restrooms, and I'm also next to the drinking fountain. Not really like the fountain, but like, you know, ones where you get a cup and then you press the button and it dispenses cold or hot water. I'm right next to that, which is very convenient for me because I be getting thirsty when I work too much. Very cool, very convenient, awesome environment, and all I'm doing is just beating carts all day. Doing that, it actually ended up having my day go by so quick, and I did not expect that at all. I was expecting like, man, I'm gonna have a lot to do. I'm nervous. I don't know if I'm gonna get anything done, but yo, I went through like 30 carts in as little as 6 hours. 30 carts in as little as 6 hours, just banging the living crap out of it. Let me tell you guys something. They have hooked your boy up. Sorry, I got fingerprints all over it because I was setting up the device. They hooked your boy up with an iPad. Now, I work with this iPad. I take pictures of the barcodes that are on the carts. I basically take the notes on there and let them know I repaired it, or if it's non-repairable and we just push it to the side. That is basically to log everything in as well as clock in. And we also have to do like team meetings once a week or so, or twice a week, or whenever they, you know, call it out for it. We do team meetings. So I get to do like Zoom calls, or it's like Zoom calls, you know, you're doing virtual meetings with everybody. That way you stay up to date with what's going on at work. Not only did they give me an iPad, they also gave your boy an iPhone 13. This is specifically just for work. So I have the same apps that I have on my iPad. I have them on my phone, and it makes it very convenient for me to work. Instead of them calling my normal cell phone, they'll be calling my work phone. And this is specifically for work. It's the same basically functions as my iPad, same apps. I can clock in on here. I can do this and that, blah, 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 whoop, whoop. They just make it very convenient for your boy. Now, also, they gave me tools. I have explained that I was beating the living crap out of a cart using like a mini sledgehammer. This thing is super heavy, okay? With this, you are the loudest person working. You really are. Let me tell you why. While everybody is there doing their little conveyor belts, pushing everything, we are smashing the living hell out of carts. and the whole warehouse just echoes. They gave your boy a whole waltz kit, DeWalt kit, and inside here is your basic tools, the stuff that we need to take apart using like a drill. You know, they gave your boy a drill. I mean, it's not connected right now, but I have a drill that's gonna help me take off some nuts and bolts and stuff like that. That way we can get some doors replaced. They gave your boy a whole lot of stuff, man. Even this. A 36-inch crowbar. What is the crowbar for? Now, I didn't get to use a crowbar today because my trainer didn't have his crowbar for some reason, but he was explaining to me that there's going to be times you're going to need to use a crowbar. You basically use this to bend the frames of the cart because there's going to be times where the frame is super bent and you need a crowbar to jam it under there and step on it to try to straighten it out. I haven't done it yet, but I will. I'm talking, they spent money on your boy. Like, they gave me an iPad. They're going to give me the iPad with a screen, like a case and a keyboard. That way it turns into a computer as well. Gave your boy an iPhone 13 with a protector case. They gave me this, they gave me that. It's just a lot. Also, they gave me the benefits, which is really good because I just finished all of my benefits enrollments today. So I have 401k, I have life insurance, I have weekly pay, I have direct deposit, critical illness insurance. I got a lot of benefits for only the price of $47 a paycheck, which is like, I think 200 something, like 206 a month or so, somewhere around there, around 200 a month. Really good, and I'm super excited, and I'm looking forward to going to work tomorrow to bang this out again, because I feel like the more I go, the more I'm just gonna get the hang of it, you know? Now, it's just very unfortunate that I can't take you guys with me, because you guys would probably enjoy the living hell of me beating the crap out of carts. You guys probably would love to see that. And I wanted to ask, you know, like, hey, can I bring a body cam? But because, you know, we're not really Amazon, but we still work in Amazon. We still have to obey the rules there and the policies. So yeah, man, that's my first day, and it's amazing. I gotta go again tomorrow. If you guys ever want to apply for Amazon as like a technician, I would recommend it. But however, this is not even through Amazon directly. This is through somebody that I towed, and thank God, you know, I towed this guy, and he was humble enough to take me out of you know, Hadley's Towing, because you guys do know Hadley's Towing was crap. It was crap. I was not happy, and you guys seen it. But there were days that we were like, yo, it's pretty cool, pretty chill day, pretty easy. But was it worth my time and sweat going out there every day, knowing that I don't have benefits, knowing that I get paid every 2 weeks, knowing that I was stressed out because of the truck situations? It wasn't worth it. And you know, I was talking to one of my coworkers that was a tow truck driver as well, and he loves being there because he could do whatever he wants. He says, like, you could do whatever you want here. I stay 14 hours, they don't care. Yeah, but long term, even though you could do whatever it is that you want, you don't have the benefits that you need. You don't have the pay that you want and all that. So yeah, overall, I would say I had a pretty fair and fun day. For my first time. He even told me, man, it's consistently the same thing every day. So I'm not even gonna be handling anything else but those carts. And I literally mean it's just carts. Like, I'm not doing packages, I'm not doing labels, I'm not doing no stickering, nothing. Just go to work, have my tools, bang out some frames, some carts. That's it. Bang it out with my hammer. Boop, 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 boop. Or unscrew some screws. That's it. Easy peasy, man. But I'm just on here today to let you guys know, give you guys an update on how my day went as an IPG technician. I did promise you guys that I'm gonna keep this channel rolling, so this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna keep the channel rolling. I'm gonna pick this up every single day. I'm gonna let you guys know what's up. We're gonna vlog on the weekends. You guys are gonna come with us, and we're gonna go do things, you know, whether it's pick up my daughter or whatever, we go to the mall, woo-de-woo. You guys are gonna come with me, so gonna keep this thing going, man. So if you guys haven't already subscribed, I'm gonna keep this thing short. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notification bell so when I upload, you don't miss a video. And also, hey, I would like to say we made it to 1,000 subscribers. I still need to get like a cupcake or something like that and blow out a candle, because we need to celebrate. We really do. I wasn't able to do it today, but we'll probably be way over 1,000 by then, but we still got to do it because I did mention that once we hit 1,000 we're gonna celebrate. But right now is a pre-celebration. Thank you guys for reaching this channel to 1,000, and as soon as we change the name to Cali POV, we hit 1,000 subscribers, man. I ended up getting the notification while I was at work, and I was just super excited. But yeah, this video is just to give you guys an update. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you guys learned something. Maybe you guys want to try out working at Amazon as a technician, or maybe just a technician in general. I do highly recommend it. It's good for you because it's, you know, you get to work by yourself. You don't really get to work with other people. If you hate working with people like I do, you don't want to work with people because it could stress you out, it could slow you down, give you negative vibes, all that. Work by yourself is better for your health. I'm gonna see you guys next time, man. Remember, it's about peace, love, unity, and respect. Subscribe, and I'm gonna see you guys next time, man. It's love.